Well guys, we're back at our little 12 by 36 trailer and we're going to continue the bathroom demolition. Wow. Wow, so we are running into a little bit more work than we expected as usual, but we've been discussing it and I think we have a plan to keep moving forward. So let me get out this rot. We're going to skip the floor for now and just do the ceiling stuff, make our mess. We'll clean it up. And then we'll evaluate. We'll see where we're at. I just got to get this rotted thing out. Let's. Hurry! No, that's the ants are getting me. I don't know if they can see them.
They're all on the tip of that.
Here, let's throw this outside. Wow. Okay, we got that nasty thing out. Now we got to deal with this moldy ceiling, which is quite disgusting, actually. Let's just pull this out.
Yeah.
So this is going to be my job for now. Pulling staples out of the ceiling so we can get this panel down. I'll be back when I'm done pulling. Alright, I've been working and we're almost ready to pull down some more ceiling. We're just going to wrap this up. We're trying to get all the demo done all at once, the best that we can. Now that the ceiling's down, we're going to get this cleaned up and we're going to work on the floor. I think I'm cutting on this side of the joist, like so I should be flush with it. It's too hard for me to center it, so if I want to get it on this joist centered, I can always cut it again.
Yeah.
I just want to try to get it there.
I'm going to try to start prying this up. Just see what it does. Actually, this is tongue and groove. I should cut this along the groove so it releases. Wow.
Well guys, I think that's all we can do today. We got a lot of work done. We got a lot of demolition done. We gutted all the rot out of the floor and I can evaluate what's going on. Luckily, the floor joists they're a little discolored, but they're solid. They're not rotted. Floor joists are good. We got plywood cut back. Now the plywood does rot into this end room, but we're not going to worry about this room yet. We're worried about that room. So we're going to focus on getting that floor done so we can rebuild this wall. We're going to renovate this space later. So don't worry about this section here. But now I can see what's going on. We can fix this bottom plate. We're going to get it all back together. That's going to be next time. So stick around and we'll have that video out soon. Something I'm surprised about is the insulation in the floor. I expected the floor to be insulated and it looks like it was insulated, but the insulation has disintegrated. It's just a tiny pile of pink pebbles at the bottom of the underbelly. The fiberglass has just decayed. I don't know why, I don't know how, but there's no floor insulation. I'm going to consider that. I would like the floor insulated. I don't know if I should worry about it now or later because even if I could insulate these 3 bays, the whole rest of the building is going to be the same, so it's kind of pointless right now. I might have to do that later from underneath, which involves opening the underbelly. So I don't know. I'll think about that. I'll think about everything that we need to do. We'll get some supplies and we'll start rebuilding this. But I guess that's all we have for now. So thanks for watching, and until next time, Take care.
Bye.